Hello guys, welcome to our today's video.
Ashwin's Island of Knowledge.
Today I'm going to discuss about a stock which I think has a huge potential to go up, and it is at a very good price which I already accumulated before and I am trying to average it now. I was going through my portfolio and I was checking all the results and what level are there, how it is it. And one stock stood out for me, and in my mind it shot that yeah, it can be, it will give a great success, and I have accumulated a lot. The stock I'm going to talk about is Sun TV. Sun TV. Okay, it's a Tamil channel which shows like movies and serials. It is one of the most popular channel in Tamil Nadu. In this video, I will show you fundamental and technical analysis of Sun TV. And as I told you, Sun TV is one of the biggest and best Tamil channels. Sun TV, KTV, and Zee Tamil, and some other, and it is one of the top ranking. Okay, let's see the financials. First, we will see fundamental analysis, then technical analysis. Let's go to a screen recording. For fundamental analysis, I use screen.in, the website. Let's go into it. In that search bar, I search for Sun TV networks. You see, the market condition now is pretty low. It is down. It is around 16,000 and 16,200 rupees. To 200. The market cap is medium-sized company. Okay, it's not too big or too small, but it is a good company. The current price is 432 rupees. Now it's currently trading in market 432 rupees, and I normally look into few parameters for analyzing a company fundamentally. Mainly, I look into stock PE, comparing that company's PE according to industry PE, then ROCE, ROE, that's return on capital employed and return on equity. Then I look after profit after tax or net profit, both the same after tax. Then I look into debt, how much borrowings they have. Then one more parameter is EPS. I look into EPS, that is earning per share. Per share, what are the earning? And promoter holding also, it's 75. It should not be less than 60 or 50 for me. According to the company, if they are diluted for more fundraising for growing the capital, for growing the company, it's okay. Or else I will look into it. Then stock PE is price per earning ratio. That is, it is an indicator to check whether the current price of that stock is overpriced, underpriced, or fairly priced. See, the PE of this Sun TV is lower than industry PE. That is for 3.2. Industry is, that is the cumulative average of all the media companies in India. That is the cumulative industry PE. It is about 1/4 or 1/5 of the industry PE. That is actually, according to me, cheap, but it should be like, if the company is making loss, it is not a good company, then the low PE justifies it because it's not a good company, right? But Sun TV is one of the prominent media and television channels in Tamil Nadu. So this, according to me, this PE is low. And ROCE and ROE, it's about 29.5 and 22, like 30 and 23. More than 15 is good. This is best. Now profit after tax, I will show you next slide that. And then promoter holding 75 and earning per share is 43.6. Dividend is 3.18. That's decent dividend. Like savings account, we get 3 to 4%, right? That same thing we are getting here with capital appreciation. Means there's a small trick to that. I will tell the power of compounding. I will tell you that. See, this is one other factor I see. Price PE ratio. That is, this bar chart shows the EPS, earning per share, and this line shows the price per earning ratio, PE. See, the PE, the cost of the stock is gradually decreasing, and the earning per share is gradually increasing. Actually, what is PE? Price divided by earnings, right? So earning per share is increasing, but the PE is decreasing. So price also should increase, right? It should be in same line. But according to us, see, it has been decreasing and it has been increasing. So it is a good sign. It's a positive sign. Two positive signs. Next, let's compare it with the peers. Obviously, we have to check with peers, right? Zee Entertainment and everything, it has the lowest PE among every others. And dividend also, it has the highest dividend among every others. See, and earning per share, it has the highest among its peers. And see, the debt, it is almost negligible. One other, I have not heard this name itself, so let's leave it. Other Zee Entertainment, PVR, Inox, these are big players. And see, debt is only 65 crores. According to the company, that's low. Yeah, that actually stood out. One more interesting fact is coming upon. Wait and watch. Profit, operating profit, let's see net profit, it has been growing, and this segment has been constant. That doesn't fall too much or rose too much, same level. Okay, here also that is quarterly results, and this is profits for annual. See, it has been growing. Now it is 1,719 rupees and 19 crores. The net profit. Another thing I check is operating cash flow. What is the cash flow from the business they are running? So see, it has been constant, and due to COVID, it has been reduced here. But 2022 data is not yet released. It should be above 1,700 crores according to me. Promoter holding, it is constant. Now, most interesting thing is pay attention. You all know in this current market condition from last year October, August, October, November, FIS has been keep on selling aggressively, right? But if you check this data from that time, from June, the FIS has been accumulating when they're selling everywhere, almost all stocks, and bring the stock market from 18,600 to literally 15,500. They are accumulating Sun TV. Why? They're selling every stocks. Why are they accumulating Sun TV? See, from 7.7, it has been reduced to 9.2% of their holding. More interesting fact is even DIA is accumulating. Both. If one is selling, another should be buying, right? If one is buying, another should be selling, right? They both are buying, the big players, but we small players, public retail people, we are selling. Then what is there? That means they see the potential in Sun TV, which we don't, which I saw recently. Yeah, this is one of the biggest key factors which drove me that Sun TV is gonna make something big. Recently, I told my friends about this, and they also intrigued about this development, and I also got interested. So at start, I bought Sun TV around 300 rupees, and I sold it at around 500. Then I again started to reaccumulate at 480 and all. But 520 I sold, and I again started reaccumulating Sun TV at 470 and 480 because Sun TV is one of the prominent channel. I like that channel, so I believe that it will grow in future. But now it is about 413 rupees. So I thought, and I saw the financials. I was like, nice, it is on to something good. So what I did, I accumulated more, obviously. Yeah, this is a screenshot of me bought recently of the Sun TV stocks. You can see in the screen. Yeah, this now we will check the technical where it is now. That is another interesting point. We'll see. Now let's check the technical analysis. For that, I use tradingview.com. In that, yeah, the time I bought is about around 12th May or something, around 412 rupees. Now it's trading about 34 rupees. This is the Fibonacci retracement. I will just drag it. I already did the analysis. See, Fibonacci retracement is one of the key parameters for showing support and resistance of the stock. Okay, see here, it is about in this range, in this support zone, and now it is in this range. It might consolidate or it might break out, and I see the potential. See, the Sun TV has fallen drastically from around 611 rupees to 400 rupees. That's about fall of 34, yeah, 34 percentage. I guessed it correctly. It's a fall of 34 percentage. Even if I accumulate, and in this market, it is now trading about 16,300, right? And if I accumulate it now also, if it just reaches the all-time high of Sun TV's range, I can get about 30 percentage, 30 or 40 percentage, just like that. Just now, if it reaches all-time high, but I see more potential in that. I accumulate everything here. I might square of 50% when it reaches all-time high. Then I will be closing when I feel the financials are getting weak or the company is not making that much of profit after quarterly results. Okay, reviewing. See, it is in this support zone. And one more is, if you see the long time, if you see here, this has been acting as a resistance in April 2020. Then it converted into support zone at around November 2020. Then it has been above this range. Now it's again taking support at around the same range. So it acts like a strong support zone. Next support zone we can see it here, and it is about 50% retracement. 50% retracement of Fibonacci. That is actually a good amount of retracement. Then see, this is a good, this is a good support zone. Another support zone is this. If it breaks here, we can see a downfall, but I don't think so it will break. And I think within next year we can see it here when the market recovers and reaches 18,000. We can see it there. Yeah, I forgot to record one thing. That is, when the stock was trading at about 540 and 560 rupees, the profit that was making was 1,300 crores. But now it's making about 1,700 crores. But the price is at 4,412 rupees. You can see making profit of 1,300 crores, but the price was 540 or 50. But now the profit has increased, but the price of the stock has decreased. So we can see lots of potential here. I think you can understand what I am trying to say, and that's my analysis. And I also showed the screenshot of my investments, and yeah, that's the conclusion of this video. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you on next video. Bye.